Hey guys, we're back at manufacturing in the age of experience. Today, we take an exclusive look inside the learning expedition where a virtual and real production line along with many interactive workshops take place. So now let's go inside and check it out.
This year we wanted to try something special. First, we wanted something more exclusive, okay? Because we want to attract the key or the top executive in the manufacturing domain. And for that, as you can see, we have a smaller room. We want to promote interactions, exchange. We want to capture the expectation.
We are doing a virtual training in here. So the virtual training is here to train your operators before that they are going to produce the real parts.
So here we are sorting bolts and bearings. We created the program for this in Dalmia, and we have uploaded it to the Yumi in the real world.
Experiencing the problem and show how the 3D Experience platform can help solving the everyday problem of production. 2 days ago, there was nothing. So it also shows that, those new technologies, the 3D Experience platform and what it brings, okay, those are accessible technologies in which you can go fast, because at the end of the day, it's a story of speed, it's a story of about agility and the ability to do that, in a few days in a hotel in China. This demonstrates that this is certainly the proper setup to support manufacturing.
So how do you feel about the learning expedition so far? Have you learned anything?
Yeah, I think this event has been very interesting for us.
课的今天非常好的模式，通过体验的方式，学了很多东西，
也是我们公司呢，特别希望看到的一款产品，确实很好。
I hope you enjoyed this exclusive look inside the future of manufacturing. Stay tuned, we'll be back with more manufacturing stories.